Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow. Previous class study about the basic Indian economy. And so let's start with the next chapter is the planning. You know the planning having the planning commission which established in the 1950 and various five-year plan introduced. And the last 5-year plan is the 12th 5-year plan and the year is 2012 to 2017. After that planning commission is replaced with by the Niti Aayog. Okay, so let us start with the basic prelims questions. Consider the following statements regarding to Indian planning. The Bimal Jalan panel was set up by the RBI to scrutinize application of new bank licenses. The committee was headed by the former RBI Governor Dr. Jendra Janal. These statements were incorrect because it is headed by the Dr. Jalan, that is Bimal Jalan. So second statement is incorrect, asking what statements, so only one, so answer is A. Consider the following statement regarding to the planning. The Discount and Finance House of India was set up in 1988, not 1990. So first statements are incorrect. The Discount and Finance House of India is a subsidiary of the RBI. Yes. Discount and Finance House of India deals with financial in the long-term loan. These statements are incorrect because it deals with the short-term commercial bills. Asking about the correct statements, only two, so answer is B. Consider the following statement. Food for Work program was launched in India during the 10th 5-year plan. These statements are correct. The Planning Commission in India is a constitutional body. This is incorrect because it is executive body. Asking about the correct statements, only one, so answer is B. Match the following statement with the various 5-year line and with objective. In the first 5-year plan, you know that it is the focus on agriculture and community development. So A is linked to the 3. Okay. Second 5-year plan 2 linked to the heavy industry. So 2. And fifth 5-year plan is focus on removal of poverty. Yes. And ninth 5-year plan focus on the food security and women empowerment. So answer is asking what correct. So answer is C. Inclusive growth in the phrase used in the India in the 11th plan and 12th plan. So asking what correct statement. So 3 and 4. So answer is C. As per the data, which among the following states of India has recorded highest growth rate in the 11th 5-year plan? This state is named as Bihar. So answer is C. Consider the following statement regarding to Indian planning is correct. Inclusive growth is a concept which involves equitable allocation of resources. Yes. Inclusive growth has enunciated in the 11th 5-year plan also include the strengthening of the capital market. It is not include the strengthening of the capital market. These statements are incorrect. Asking what statements, only one, so answer is A. Which of the following statements are correct regarding to promoting digital transaction in India? Indian Government of India has shifted the responsibility of promoting digital transaction in India to the Indian Ministry of the IT and Electronics from the Niti Aayog. Yes, Niti Aayog had earlier implemented the two programs Lucky Grahak Yojana and the Digi Dhan Vyapar Yojana to promote e-payment. Yes, transfer of the business of the ministry will be help government to effectively promote digital transaction to achieve its target to achieving the cash GDP to 13%. These statements are incorrect because not 13%. Asking about the correct statements, so 1 and 2 are correct statement, so answer is B. Planning was considered a prerequisite for the balance of social economic development. Yes, the objective of that for extending the benefit of the development in an even manner. Yes, for focusing of removal of regional disparity. Yes, for maximizing the utilization of labor resources. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 are statements. So answer is D. Consider the following statement regarding to the Indian planning. The second 5-year plan emphasizes on the establishment of heavy industry. Yes. The third 5-year plan aims to achieve the self-sufficient in the food grains and increase agriculture production to meet requirement of industry and export. Yes. Asking what statements 1 and 2, so answer is C. Which of the following statement correct regarding to launch of India Innovation Index are correct? It was launched by jointly by the National Institute for the Transformation India, Niti Aayog, and Confederation of the Indian Industries. Its objective to rank the Indian state on the innovation by capturing data on innovation from the all states and regularly updated in the real time. Yes, it will be not to be based on the best practices on followed in the global innovation index indicates this statement incorrect because it is based on the best practices of the global innovation index. So third statement incorrect. It will track progress on the each indicator state as well as national level. So this statement is also incorrect. Asking work statements only 1 and 2, so answer is A. Which of the following statements are correct regarding to National Institute of Transforming India Niti Aayog calls for review the provision of the Right to Education Act? The review is needed as the provision of the Act has negative effect on the learning outcome. Yes, the education quality trend between 2014 has improved, not it is decreasing. The quality of education has nothing to do with student achievement. This statement is also correct because it do with student achievement. Asking about the correct statements only one, so answer is D. Consider the following statements are the correct. Manrega was launched in the 10th 5-year plan, not 11th 5-year plan, so first statement is incorrect. Indira Awas Yojana was launched in the 9th 5-year plan, so second statement is correct. Asking what statements, so only B, 2, so answer is B. Consider the following statement. High growth will lead to inflation. Yes, high growth will lead to deflation. Not. Asking what statements, only one, so answer is A. This statement is not important, skip that. Consider the following statement. The 9th 5-year plan was launched in the 15th year of independence. These statements are correct. For the first time in Indian economy, the GDP growth rate was of the 9th 5-year plan was set up at 7%. These statements are correct. Asking what statements 1 and 2, so answer is C. Consider the following components of the Pura model of economic development is correct. You know that Pura is the provision for urban amenity to rural area. It is the concept developed by the former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. What is the objective? Facilitate road connectivity in the villages, enhancement of electricity in the rural areas, establishment of cyber cafe in the villages, construction of hospital in rural areas. 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Answer is D. This is not. Which of the following is correct about the 12th 5-year plan recently approved by the Indian government? 12th 5-year plan was Indian economy started from 2012 and completed in 2017. The first statements are incorrect. 12th 5-year plans aim to grow the GDP rate at 8 to 9%, not 10%. These statements are incorrect. 12th 5-year plan aims to sustain the economic inclusive growth which started in 11th plan. Yes, D statement is correct. Asking what correct statements, so only C, so answer is C. Consider the following statement. In the 11th 5-year plan, the growth rate of the export was always positive. This statement is correct because sometimes it get negative. So first statements are incorrect. In the middle of the 11th 5-year plan, the import growth has negative due to external factor. Yes. Asking what correct statements, answers only 2, so answer is B. Match the following statement with 5-year plan objective. You know the first 5-year plan is dedicated to the agriculture irrigation. Third 5-year plan is linked to the self-reliant, and you know the 12th 5-year linked to the growth of social sustainable economic growth, and fifth plan is linked to the growth of the social justice. So first is linked to the 4. So asking what correct means, so answer is C. Which of the following statements are correct regarding to Niti Aayog plan in 2017 to frame a model on the contract farming? The model law will protect farmer against the price volatility of the items like the onion, tomato. Yes, contract farming will lessen the competition in the agriculture sector. This is incorrect because increase the competition. A model of agriculture producing market committee was set up and circulated the state during the 2020 contact. For this statement correct because this should not link to that. Asking okay questions only one, so answer is A. Which of the following statements are correct regarding to Niti Aayog plan in 2017 for ranking state of energy efficiency? The first such ranking will be called as the State Energy Efficiency Index. Yes. Alliance of the Energy Efficient Alliance will be Niti Aayog knowledge partner to develop indices of energy consumption. Yes. Energy consumption indices will develop across the four sectors including transport, agriculture and industry. Yes. The indices would include only qualitative indicator. This is incorrect because both qualitative and quantitative indicators. Asking what question, so 1, 2 and 3. So answer is D. Thank you for that.